consideration for 2.5 men provided by.
Over time, owning your home has proved to be a good decision. And while lately the economy has presented challenges, it's also helped us focus on what matters most: family, friendship, community, and finding a home that's right for you. No one has more experience and expertise to help you than an agent who is a realtor. We're prepared to show you options, answer your questions, and guide you home. Every market's different. Call our realtor today.
Where the hell are we?
It's called Rancho Pacoima.
Brown.
Yeah, not much grocery except meth labs and cold stores.
Just out of curiosity, what exactly are we hoping to accomplish here with this Ronald guy?
Well, in a perfect world, he'd dump his wife and marry my little home drag. Well, I'll settle for him stepping up and paying for his mistakes.
Won't be declines.
That's why I brought you.
Me? All I can do at this point is...
You don't have to go.
Well, yeah, doesn't evaporate. Oh, pull over for a minute?
In this neighborhood, is it Mercedes? Sure, if you're parked in a car that's in front of me. Take a left right up here.
Oh, road?
Well, not during rainy season.
Oh, God. I think I hit a dog.
Don't worry, it was just a rat. Okay.